Before going to the topics hybridization, we should know about orbitals. Orbitals are a three-dimensional figure or area where an electron are likely to be found or maximum probability to be found. We find S, P, D, F orbital in a atomic subshell. Now we discuss about the shape of these orbitals. Shape of the S orbital is spherical. P orbital is dumbbell-like structure. Here, zero probability of finding an electron passing through the nucleus. So it is a dumbbell-like structure. And D orbital has a double dumbbell-like structure. Now we consider the electronic configuration of carbon. Carbon has 6 electrons. Its electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0 in ground state. In excited state, here one electron shifts to pz orbital. Now we have 1 2s orbital and 3 p orbital. 2 is available to make bonds. 1 s orbital and 3 p orbital are available to make bonds. Now 1 s orbital and 3 p orbital are available to make bonds with another atom like hydrogen, which has an electronic configuration hydrogen 1 1s1. It has s orbital. This lead to the formation of 3 directed bonds with right angles and 1 non-directed bond with 1 s orbital. Now we get 2 different type of bond, but in fact in methane all carbon hydrogen bonds are identical and it is a regular tetrahedral structure. Here comes the concept of hybridization. What is hybridization? Hybridization happens when orbitals of different energy level get mixed to form a new hybrid orbital of average energy level of the original unhybridized orbitals. In this figure, we can explain it. Energy 2s orbital, 2p orbital. 2s orbital has 1 electron. There are 3p orbital has 3 electrons. After hybridization, we get 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Which has 4 electrons. Now look, its energy level is the average of these two. Now we discuss how hybridization occurs. S orbitals, p orbitals will form this we get 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals which are arranged. Its all angles are 109 degree 0.5 minute, and it is a tetrahedral shape. Tetrahedral shape. Tetrahedral. This best explains the structure of methane. There are millions of carbon compounds, but we only find 3 types of hybridization in carbon compound. These 3 types are sp3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp hybridization. sp3 hybridization, bond angle is 109 degree 28 minute. In sp2 hybridization, bond angle is 120 and here 180 degree. The structure of sp3 hybridization is tetrahedral, plane trigonal. Its structure is plane trigonal, and its structure is diagonal. sp3 hybridization is found in alkanes. Like methane, ethane. Here all single bond are present. sp2 hybridization is found in alkenes, where one carbon-carbon double bond is found. It is in the case of ethylene. And it also found in carbonyl compounds, where a carbon-oxygen double bond is found. sp hybridization is found in alkynes like acetylene. Here a carbon-carbon triple bond is present. It is also found in cyano compounds, where carbon forms triple bond with a nitrogen. Now I will show you how to calculate hybridization of carbon in a carbon compound. I have taken this hydrocarbon. We have to calculate the hybridization of all carbons. Here a thumb rule is thumb rule. Thumb rule is hybridization equal to number of atoms attached to carbon. Let's apply the thumb rule to determine the hybridization of this carbon. We have to count the atoms attached to this carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of atoms is 4. Then it will be in sp3 hybridization. In this carbon, 1, 2, 3 atoms are attached. 3 atoms are attached. then it will be sp2 hybridization. This is also sp2 hybridization. In this carbon, two atoms are attached. So it is sp hybridization. It is also sp hybridization. That is all for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.